My name is Zahratul. My hobby reading is cooking. But one day I indeed a dreaming. My parent intriguing big and asked the problem. My piece so no I big to the book. And Al-Madrin she not repeat to tell us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Firstly, let's pray and thank to our God Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has given us meekness and blessing, so we can attend and gather in this place in good condition and happy situation. Secondly, my peace and salutation always be given to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness to the brightness, from the stupidity to the graveness. Honorable Adia and Ummi, Honorable Tengku and Ustazah, respectable to all of teacher and our great love to all of students, ladies and gentlemen in Miss Baru Rashad Al-Aziz. Thirdly, I don't forget to say thank you very much to the Master of Ceremony for giving me time to deliver my speech in front of you all under the title The Use of Internet. Internet simply is a common thing for adolescents. Internet had been a part of their life, can live without it. Besides, let us give them to him for all the graces, nikmat taufik and guidance. Inna iddata Hai ladies and gentlemen, Nabi Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Nabi Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, "Wa asharu bi usbu'aihi sababata wal wusta." I will present and explain the Islamic New Year to the week the Islamic New Year. We have been particularly for correction and our silver age. In addition, communication for teenagers. For example, the use of internet for teenagers. Accessory student is a source of information and knowledge which is extremely learning and activity. Such as entertainment media. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ada bakal